Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use reverse charging on POCO X8 Pro Max. So first, what you guys want to do is get a USB-C to any type cable. So it depends on what you're wanting to charge. I got a USB-C to USB-C because I'm going to be charging my AirPods. Now, I've got this cable because this phone does not support the wireless charging. So let's go over and just plug the cable in. Now, as you guys can see, the cable is in right here. And let me quickly put the phone like this so you guys can clearly see that this is the cable it's connected to. And now we're gonna go over and press it here. As you guys can see, we got the green light and we've got the sound. So that means it is charging properly. And that's how the reverse charging works around here. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.